Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your old posts that you have made on the Nextdoor application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nextdoor application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number or email address and your password to proceed with logging into your account. Once you have logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through the various profiles and the posts that have been made around your neighborhood. Now, if you wish to find any old post that you have made, then in order to do this, you will need to enter your profile. So from the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on View Profile. Once you tap on this, you will be taken into your profile page from which, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the Posts option. Now, within the Posts page, you will be able to find all of your posts that you have made since you created your account on Nextdoor. You can tap on See Activity if you wish to view your entire activity log, which also includes your comments, your likes, your bookmarks, and your saved information. Now, if you scroll down from the Posts page, you will be able to see all of the posts that you have made, and you will also find the oldest post that you have created. So using the post page, you can find any post that you have made in the past. You can make any changes that you wish within your old post from the posts menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your old post that you have made on the Nextdoor application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.